Disassembly tips. Ensure that you take the following precautions when disassembling a unit. Label each cable as you remove it, noting its position and routing. This will make replacing the cables much easier and will ensure that the cables are rerouted properly. Keep all screws with the component removed, if applicable. The screws used in each component can be of different thread sizes and lengths. Using the wrong screw in a component could damage the unit. If the unit contains light-sensitive components such as motherboard, memory module, CPU, hard disk drive, graphic card, store the component in its original ESD packaging to avoid damage. Please read the description below for more details about tools used to removal and replacement, static electricity.
Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, wireless module, hard disk drive assembly, fans, and system board. Removal. Carefully peel back the mylar shielding that covers the touchpad board. Remove the three 2mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the touchpad board bracket to the top cover. Lift the touchpad board bracket off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Remove the three 1.5mm P0 Phillips head screws that secure the touchpad board to the top cover. Lift the touchpad board off of the alignment pins and remove the retention tab from under the keyboard bracket. Remove the touchpad board and place it into a static dissipative bag. Replacement. Remove the touchpad board from the static dissipative bag. Tow the retention tab on the touchpad board under the keyboard bracket and lower it onto the alignment pins on the top cover. Replace the three 1.5mm P0 Phillips head screws that secure the touchpad board to the top cover. Place the touchpad board bracket onto the alignment pins on the top cover. Replace the three 2mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the touchpad board bracket to the top cover. Replace the mylar shielding that covers the touchpad board.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.